I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you also claimed it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands are strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. In the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I would stay there, close my eyes, feel me forever. You and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. In the games you'd play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, head out the rust into the flames. When I felt something died, 'cause I knew that it was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, head out the rust into the flames. When I felt something died, 'cause I knew that it was the last time, the last time.
You look fantastic, and you sounded great. I thought it was a great song for your voice. You did a good job making it your own and adding like little intricacies in there that sounded awesome. I think you did a great job. So we'll just see what happens. But you're sounding great. You look great. So good job coming prepared and ready to kill it.
All right. Thank you, Faith. We're going to bring Lady Jello.